Hello everyone. Part 2 of painting, or I guess removing and painting the spring-loaded hood latches on the 1995 Jeep YJ. I'll show you a couple of things that I ran into. When I wanted to remove them, I sprayed the threads on the, of course inside the wheel well you'll find the threads. I sprayed them with WD-40 penetrant. And often a good trick is to also use heat, but you can't use heat where this is because it's paint on the other side of the fender. In my case, it's paint. Some of the Jeeps are plastic, and which is of course even more sensitive to heat. So heat really wasn't an option in this case. So a couple of doses of WD-40, and then I tried to loosen off the nuts. They came off a little. They were tough to come off, first of all, and then when the nut got down to where the corrosion was, it really became difficult. So I tried wire brush, wire wheel. Nothing really got rid of that corrosion, and then the bolt actually broke off, and you can see it broke off right there. If I had cut with the hacksaw or a grinding wheel or Dremel, whatever, if I had cut the excess thread off before I even started trying to loosen that nut off, I wouldn't have had this issue. I actually would have been able to get them off cleanly. And that was the case with all four of them. But all four of these broke once I started hitting the exposed thread that was in the wheel well. So anyways, if you can save yourself a pain in the ass, please do. Spray it down. You can give it a little bit of heat, just don't bubble your paint. I know there's the new electric resistance, the coil. It's a coil that heats up the thread or whatever, bolt head, whatever you've got. But again, that's a lot of heat in a painted area in my case, so I didn't do it. Once I got rid of the, once I finished breaking off all four of those, I then had to go and drill out the area here. You can see the six-pointed star pattern where the bolt head was pressed into this base. So I just had to drill that out using a 1/4-inch drill. And then I did that for all four of them. Repainted it with bed liner. Looks pretty good. I don't know. I mean, you can buy new ones for 30 or 40 bucks, but you're just gonna have to keep buying them every few years, or just repaint them yourself. Whatever works for you. I then repainted some standard hardware. I just painted the heads black. Once I get it inside and installed, I will paint the underside of them. Speaking of that, let's go and paint the base area on the fender. Take you out to here. And painting in the breeze is a bit of a pain in the ass, but anyways, you can see the area that's going to get a quick blast. I've already shaken my bed liner up. I'll give it a quick spray. I'm going to let that dry. And, well, I won't let it dry. Of course, I will let it tack up a little bit. Then I'll remove all the tape and I'll let it final dry. And then, of course, remember to clear the can. So whatever the instructions are in the can, turn it upside down. Make sure you blow the can out. In this case, that's what it is. Invert the can, blow, press the nozzle until you get clean air out of it. And until next time, thanks.